Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to crochet this super cute beginner friendly flower bookmark. For this project I'm using yarn Argents and a 2.75mm hook. You can of course use any similar weight yarn you have at hand. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and end up absolutely obsessed with every book you use this bookmark for. Let's start by making a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your two fingers like this to make an X shape. Hold it here and here with your pinky. Turn your hand, go underneath the first line of yarn, grab the second one, pull under and twist. Grab this piece of yarn and pull through. This counts as your first chain and you can adjust the size of your magic ring by pulling on this thread. Now add another chain so you have 2 in total, and then we are going to insert 10 half double crochets in this ring and make sure you go over both of these yarn threads. Mark the first one you make. Now that we have our 10 half double crochets, pull on this thread to close the ring like this, and then we're going to slip a stitch in the stitch we marked, the first half double crochet of the round. There you go, you have the center of your flower, and now we're going to add the petals. Go ahead and cut the yarn. And grab the color for the petal. Grab the color you want for the petals. This is where I slip a stitch, so go in there and pull up a loop. Make sure you leave a small tail and chain 2. We are going to insert 1 double crochet and 1 triple crochet in the same stitch. And I'm going over this tail here to hide it as we crochet the petals. Now in the next stitch, insert 1 triple crochet, 1 double crochet, and then chain 2. Slip a stitch in the same stitch. Now slip a stitch in the next stitch, chain 2, and repeat the same pattern. So 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, then 1 triple crochet and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 2 and slip a stitch in the same stitch. Repeat this pattern 3 more times and your petals are done. I'm finishing up my last petal and then we move on to the stem and the leaves. When your last petal is done, don't forget that this is a slip stitch and we don't want anything to do with that, so go straight into the base of your first petal and slip a stitch. Your petals are done and you can cut the yarn. I'm going to pull it in the other side like this. Okay, and now we're going to insert our hook in this slip stitch that we just made. Pull up a loop with the green and chain the length of your book. Once you have the length you want for your bookmark, go ahead and add 8 more chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In the second chain from your hook, this is the first, this is the second, slip a stitch, 1 single crochet in the next one, 1 half double crochet in the next. In each of the next 2 chains, insert 1 double crochet. In the next one, 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet. One single crochet in the next one. And now we move on to the other side. This is the other side of the chain we just worked. So 1 single crochet there, 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet in the next. One double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, 2 chains, sorry. One half double crochet in the next. One single crochet in the next, and we are going to slip a stitch and slip a stitch like this. Your leaf is all done, so you can cut the yarn, leave a tail, your bookmark is all done. All that left to do is to secure all these ends. I'm going to pull this in the back of the leaf and then just weave it into these stitches. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or feedback, please let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you.